Hello, David here, and the project for today is I want to introduce you to my new invention. It's a breathable virus mask. That's a leather punch. Are you tired of mask mandates where you don't want to wear a mask? Maybe you've been vaccinated and they tell you have to wear a mask anyway. Or maybe you've had the Wuhan virus and you have more antibodies than a vaccinated person. Or you hate going to the store for food and the only way you could get in is you have to put on a mask, and by the time you get to the deli counter you collapse because you suffocated. Well, this is going to help you. When you're wearing this, the mask police won't know this. Check that out, breathing holes. When the mask police come by, just pull on the sides and it looks like a regular mask. When the mask police are gone, extend it out so that you can breathe again. This is a spoof video. If you thought this was funny, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from davidgpo. And do not try this at home. If you do, you will make me very angry.